How to change your delivery address before checkout on the Shake Shack website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to update your delivery address before your Shack order, well here is how you can do it fast. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once you're inside, just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here simply sign in with your account and once you're logged in, just build your order by selecting your Shack location and items. And there when your card is ready, you can just click on checkout and go to the delivery address section and there you can just click on edit or change address and then enter the new delivery address and confirm it's correct. And once you're done with it, you can double check that your payment method and delivery time are still accurate before proceeding to payment. And with that, just a pro tip is that you can always confirm the updated address before placing the order to avoid delays and missed delivery. And that's it. That's how you can change or update your delivery address before checkout on the Shake Shack website. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.